Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to form an LLC in the USA using BusinessAnywhere. Now, before I share my screen with you to show you how this is done, I would like to point out that anyone from anywhere in the world can actually register their business in the USA, form an LLC, and become a registered USA business. Now, you can do this as long as you have the right information, the right tools, which I'm going to be giving you in this video. So make sure to pay close attention and watch this video to the end. So if you're ready to register a business in America, go ahead right now and follow me as I share my screen, show you how this is done. Let's go. Alright, so when you click on the link in the description of this video, you're going to get straight to this page. They say launch your business today. Now the first thing you need to do is enter the name of your business. Now what name do you want to register? I'm going to say Nwaeze Media. Okay, I'm gonna just enter the name of the business you want to register. Then you enter what type of business you want to register. Is it an LLC? Is it a corporation or a PLC? Now for the sake of this tutorial, we're forming an LLC, so I'm gonna select LLC. Now once you've done that, click on check availability. This check availability will check if the name that you want to register is available in the US. If it's not available, it's going to tell you it's not available, so you enter a different business name. Or if it's available, it's going to give you a confirmation. They say, okay, like this, you say congratulations, the initial search Nwaeze Media LLC is available for registration. Now this is very important, because if you register a business name that is not available, you're going to have a lot of issues. So this is very, very important. So congratulations, if your business name is available for registration, go ahead and scroll down, then enter your name, your last name, your email address and phone number. Now once you've done that, toggle this accept terms and conditions and click on next. Now this phone number are parts. Don't panic if you don't have a USA phone number. Okay, just click on this flag button here. Once you click on it, scroll down and select the country you're in. Once you've selected the country, you can now enter your phone number for that country. Okay, very easy. So I'm gonna pause this video right now and fill these details and then click on next. We'll proceed from there. Alright, so the next page that's gonna come up is the states. You're already forming an LLC, so LLC is selected here by default. So the next thing you need to do here is select the state where you want to register your business. Now you can select any state here. Now for instance, me, I'm going to select California because I already have a Californian address. If you don't have a USA address at all, you have two options. You can get a free USA address by clicking on the link in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a link to a video I made on how to get a USA address for free. Or you can go ahead and just select any state and then scroll down and use the BusinessAnywhere virtual address. There is an option here. You pay for it, of course, or they will give you a USA address and they'll be using it for your business. Okay, so select whichever one is okay with you. I'm going to select California. I already have a Californian address. Now as you can see here, the registrations now, California state fee is about $73. Okay, let's say for instance, let me see if I want to choose Colorado. As you can see, Colorado is $52. Different states have different state filing fee. Kentucky is $42, as you can see. So select the states that you want. I'm going to select California because, like I said before, I have a Californian address. So select it and click on next. Now once you've clicked on next, it's going to ask you how many owners will your company have. Now is it only you? If you are the only person, just leave it as one and go. If you're more than one, let's say you are two, go ahead and click on this plus button and select the number of owners that you have. If it's 3 or 4, go ahead and select it. Now any number of users that you add here, you're gonna fill the details for each of them. So if you're the only person, just select one and then click on next. Okay, I love the way BusinessAnywhere registration form is just toggle step by step, filling information and be going. So the next step is registered agent service. Now the registered agent service is included for free in this order, so you're not going to pay for it for the next 1 year. So go ahead and scroll down and say yes, add add to order for free. Okay, already added because it's already included in the pricing plan, so you're not paying extra for it. Go ahead and add it and then click on next. Now once you've clicked on next, you're gonna enter the details for your employee identification number, also known as EIN. Now this EIN can serve as your SSN, social security number, if you're not a US citizen. So scroll down and say yes, add to order. This is very important. Don't click on this, because except maybe you have a way of getting your own EIN by yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna select yes, add to order. I've added it to order and click on next. Now once you've clicked on next, it's gonna take you to the operating agreement page. This operating agreement is very important. It defines the management structure of your LLC. Now without this, you cannot prove that you own that business. So this operating agreement helps you protect your ownership of the business. So make sure you add it to order. Once you added it, click on next. Okay, now this is free bookkeeping setup and consultation. Now this option is free. You can add it and continue. If you don't want it, then click on I don't need consultation. But since it's free, I'm going to add it to order. We're not paying anything for it. Click on next. Okay, now open a bank account for Nwaeze LLC. Now for your business, if you want to open a bank account for your business, go ahead and select this option. It's free. Okay, they're gonna help you create a bank account with Relay, Mercury, or Wise. So go ahead and select it. This order is free, so like I said, so select it. If you don't want a bank account for your business, select no, I don't want a bank account. So but we want a bank account and it's free of charge. We're not paying anything for it, so we're adding it to order and click on next. Now once you've clicked on next, the next option that's gonna come here is a banking resolution. Now this ensures that it ensures a smooth operation and compliance with bank requirements. Now if you want a banking resolution is good. Let's say you are creating a bank account for your business in the US, then this is very important. Add it to order, since we already creating a bank account. Now this is S Corp tax election. Is optional. You can leave it. You don't need to add it to order, but if you want to add it to order, you can always add it to order. You file an IRS form for S Corp. That's if you want to upgrade your business someday. So go ahead and add it if you want. Now scroll down, say the beneficial owner information report. So this is the one-time mandatory filing requirement within 30 days of registration of the company. Now this report is one time. Okay, you are filing this report before one time within 30 days. So if you want to file this report on your own, you can leave this option and do the report by yourself. Or if you want them to do this filing for you, go ahead and add this to order. They will do the filing for you. They put your information together and then file your information for you. Now go ahead and click on next. Okay, now here is where it gets more interesting. Like I said earlier, I have a Californian address, so I entered it. But if you don't have a Californian address, you don't have a USA address at all, you can go ahead and say I need a virtual mailbox. Okay, what this is gonna do is gonna create a virtual address for you in the US. You can use it to represent your business. Now I also leave a link in the description of this video where you can get a free virtual address in the US. So this is not free. If you select it, you're going to enter the states, enter the details here, and you'll be paying $20 per month or $30, $65 depending on the option you select. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to skip it and say I don't need a virtual address because I already have one. So select this. Sorry, no, I don't need this. Okay, I don't need this. If you want a free mailing address, go ahead and click the video in the description of this video to watch how to get that. So since I don't need this, I'm gonna click on it and click on next. Now once you've done that, the next option is how fast do you want your filing to go. Now if you want your business registration filing to be done within 48 hours, select this, add this to order. If you want it to be done in 5 days, select this. Or if you want it to take in the normal time, which is around 10 to 14 working days, that's 2 weeks, just leave it at 0, add to order. So once you've done that, click on next. Okay, now once you've clicked on next, you can now review all the information that you've selected. You remove anything you want to remove and add anything you want to add, correct anything you want to correct. So it's just scroll down. Let's say your formation info is an LLC from California. The business name is Nwaeze Media. Number of owners 1. As you can see, is correct. So I'm gonna click on next. Now once you've clicked on next, the next thing you need to do right now is to confirm your email address. Now after purchasing, after your purchase has been finalized, you will receive an email to log into your dashboard. Now before that, you need to make sure you make your payment. To make your payment, enter your card details, your card full name, your card number, expiry date, and CVV or CVC. Now this is the 3-digit number that is at the back of your credit card. So enter it here. Then enter your billing address. It can be the address you have, your virtual address, or the address of the bank that you are using to make that payment. Okay. So once you've done that, click on what? You click here to sign. Now let's say you can sign here. Just use your mouse to toggle. Okay. You can sign. Just sign your signature, and then once you're done with that, click on complete and pay. Now once you click on complete and pay, like I said, your dashboard will be created where you're going to monitor the progress of your business registration. If there's any further details that's required, you'll be contacted via email and also via phone number. They will ask you to provide further details so to help you create your business. So I think that's how to create your business. Okay, step by step, simple. As you can see, within 5 minutes you are done, and they will take over and register your business for you. Okay, so there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide to help you form an LLC in the USA, no matter the country you're from. Now, I would recommend that you take a chance with your business right now and make it a registered USA business. There are so many advantages to this, like having a USA bank account, Stripe account, and etc. Now, I've done something for you in this video, I believe, so I want you to do something for me in return. I want you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and also share this video with your friends. Now when you subscribe, you'll be notified anytime I post a new video on this channel. Now also, the link to Business Anywhere sign up is in the description of this video or below this video. Go ahead right now and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.